Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Vision AI software review. So what actually is Vision AI? Guys, Vision AI is the first to universe explainable AI app that creates mind-blowing text-to-video, vision videos, image talking videos, incredible graphic arts, edge sensor videos, AI text font images, AI hair styler, AI image unblur, multi-image subject generation, human instructions editor, AI illustrations, pointing people generator, AI avatar generator, AI vision image, and much more. In less than 60 seconds you will be able to create using this software Vision AI. Right now I'm in the sales page of this software Vision AI, guys, and creator of this software Vision AI, Uddhav Pramanik. You know, Uddhav Pramanik is one of the best software creator on Warrior Plus and JVZoo marketplace. He launched a lot of software successfully on Warrior Plus marketplace. He is also top 5% vendor and super creator. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you about this software Vision AI. I'm going to show you also bonuses about this software. Okay, so stay tuned guys, please don't skip this video. I'm going to show you also quick demo. You will be fully understand afterwards the demo. Okay, here is guys, you can see first to market cutting edge AI technology software. That's the future of intelligent solution. Okay, and just 3 simple steps to work this software, and this software price is only $17. This is the front end price. This software have upsells and OTOs. I'm going to show you all the OTOs, and this is 100% risk free software guys, because they will provide 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. So you can purchase it. My recommendation is this is a legit software guys. Okay, and you can see you will be able to create this type of image. Wanna create stunning 4K HD videos from any text to antique max variants. You can see the results. Wanna convert any dual image instantly into beautiful live photo like this, and wanna create Vision AI videos that drives 100x more conversions. You can see your video will be most conversion rate. Okay, and you will get sales. Okay guys, what kind of product you want to sell, you must need this kind of artificial intelligence based software, because this software is 100% done for you software. Okay, and when you purchase $197 the one-time payment software, this software Vision AI, the OTO number 3 is $197 the price value. When you purchase it, you can access this software done for you facers, all the facers actually. And 3 simple steps to work this software. Okay guys, step number 1, login. This is beautiful software. You can see the software. To get started, just log in into this masterpiece and be on fast track to success using the future of artificial intelligence. Step number 2, you can see create. Now insert a few details and create limitless marketing assets for any offer and any niche within a few clicks of your mouse. Step number 3, sell and profit. You are done. Just use this premium marketing assets for you or your clients and see boatloads of dollar flowing in like never before, because this software will help you to generate a high converting video. Okay guys, and at a time you will be able to create images, you will be able to create content for your videos. Right now I'm going to show you a quick demo guys, then I'm going to show you all other information. So at first let's see the demo. Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand afterwards the demo, because this is the full details they actually share with you. Okay, and here is the happy customers. This is the testimonial, real people, real testimonial. Here are some of the countless benefits that Vision AI has for you. Okay, my friend, because this is a life-changing software, believe me. Okay, and here is everything you can see Vision AI related information. You must check out all the information, link in my video description below, guys. And this is the bonuses. Act now and get 6 fast action bonuses worth 6,658 with your access today. Bonus number 1, AI Suite. This is the software. Bonus number 2, AI Hub. This is another software. They will provide bonuses if you purchase this software today. Bonus number 3, AI Buddy. Bonus number 4, Shoshi AI. Bonus number 5, AI Mailer. Bonus number 6, AI Sites. And this all 6 bonuses will provided the vendor. And I will give you this $2,375 bonuses. All the bonuses you can see inside the members area when you purchase this software, guys. This is all of my $2,375 value bonuses. I will give you lots of software, lots of marketing materials that will help you to generate more money from online. And if you have any problem to receiving your bonuses, you can email us. Our email is here, guys. I will send you all the bonuses. This is me. This is 100% real bonus and the real product. You can buy this product. Okay, and here is, you can see 100% 30 days money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose. This is the creator and the company is Insource Apps. Okay, guys, and here is the frequent asked questions. Will I forced to pay monthly? Of course not. We have already clarified at the top that we serve only one time and allow our customers to make the best use of this technology to foster long-term business growth. Is there any money back guarantee? Absolutely, they will provide 30 days money back guarantee. And do I get any step-by-step video training with my purchase? Yeah, they will provide a step-by-step video training that makes it simple, easy, and guide you through the entire process with no turbulence. Okay, guys, and this is the all information that I shared about this, that I already shared about this software Vision AI. I hope you fully understand about this software. If you have any problem to understand this software, just click the link in my video description below and check out the full information. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to create image tracking videos, text to videos, incredible graphics arts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.